Hey, how y'all doing? Hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that. You always be thankful and grateful to God because He have given you another day. Don't take that as like brushing that off like nothing because it's more than something. It's our thing. And live in it and be happy for it. You know what I'm saying? Because we here, we able to do and you know what I'm saying and all that old shit. Mm. Bitch, I'm from Flint. Don't you know about me? Big RILLING. Huh. 50,000 real nice shopping spree. And every time I pop out, you know I ATE. Hey. The fuck? Yeah. So anyway, so y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. And today is sex tip Tuesday. Bitch, sex tip Tuesday. Bitch. So let's just get right into it. Y'all know how I do it. So what's the sex tip today? Like let me tell y'all something. We have to learn how to step outside our comfort zone. Not like first I'm gonna talk to my ladies, especially like for our ladies. Like we are used to guys approaching us. But bitch, that's just stop you when you become when you get up in age, the motherfuckers that do not be happening. Well, it don't be happening for me no more. But I guess everybody's own experience. But generally, like the guy initiates. Hey, how you doing? I like you. You know, I want to whatever, however the conversation goes. Um, so my thing is for ladies, and also a tip for myself too is I need to practice it. To be honest, I swear I don't do it. But and that is, you see something, you like something, you say something. You know what I'm saying? Whether hey, how you doing? Simple words like y'all don't have to make this shit all big and I'm grand and you know what I'm saying? And I don't know, got your titties all out and well, dudes got all their money out. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what did you don't have to do all of that. The key to everything is to be your authentic self. Don't try to be fake and phony or whatnot. However you want to start the conversation is how you start the conversation. For my ladies, you can tell a guy like, "Yo, you look nice." But also, let me tell you, ladies, guys, something too. Just because somebody give you a compliment, this goes both ways for guys and my fellas. That doesn't mean just because somebody said that you look nice or they like your fit, that mean that they like you, that they trying to holler. That don't mean that. That don't mean that. They could just be giving you a compliment. You can take the compliment and keep on, and if they persist on and if you feeling the vibe, then you stay in it, you exchange numbers and do all the things, you know what I'm saying? So my sex tip today is to ladies, when you see something out there that you like, go for it. Like, why not? But I have to tell you the downside. I'm gonna tell you a real story, bitch. This is my shit. I'm sharing y'all my personal shit. Now, I have popped out one day. I said, let me pop out. It was somebody that um I'm not seen him one day. We just chopped it up, we talking, whatever. So I'm thinking that he feeling me. And so I think this went on for 2 days. So the third day, like I shoot my shot, shot my shoot the shot, shot that shoot the shot that shoot the shot that shoot. You know what the fuck I mean. So I did that, and he was like, "Where your friend at?" Right after. I was like, "Yo, can we exchange number?" He was like, and it was like, just real early. He was like, "Yo, but where your friend at?" Because I really want to. He said, "Yeah, you can get my number, so you can give it to your friend." Wonk 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 wonk. I said, "Oh shit!" Yo, did it go what? My shit went. Okay, you know what I'm saying? But we all have to learn how to deal with rejection. We all have to know how to deal with rejection. Period. You have to learn how to deal with. Just take that, like, okay, like, all right. Shake that shit off real quick. I mean, it ain't gonna be that quick, but you know, you got to deal with your emotions inside because you just been crushed because you don't put your, you know what I'm saying, you don't put your feelings on the line, and then this motherfucker's like, nah, where your friend at? You know what I'm saying? But you know, so what? You know, and it's, I'll be honest, there just ain't been nothing out there. Like, I don't know. I'm just so, my mind is so somewhere else, whatever. But if I was to see something, I'm gonna keep y'all posted for real. I'm gonna say something. Let me tell you something today. So I was walking down the block. Now it's cold and a motherfucker outside. It's so goddamn cold to where I had to stop like 3 or 4 times as I was walking because the wind was just like, whoa, like, you know, like that. Like to where you had to be like, wait, let me brace my motherfucking self. Like it was really literally like it had lifted my, like pushed my leg like it was crazy. So as I was walking down the block, of course you know, I'm dressed for the occasion. Hood, everybody got the hoods on, gloves on, long ass coat, like I'm warm. You know what I'm saying? Because you have to dress appropriately. And this guy was like, hey, pretty woman, whatever the fuck. And it was like, whatever. I was like, hey, kept it moving. He comes up and walked alongside of me. And he was like, now I wasn't feeling him. I could just tell like right off the back. And I didn't really get the chance to look at him yet. I was just like, he said, you got a man? And he was like, yeah. He was like, well, y'all should get married. And he should marry you and all that. And so we had this whole. So as we walking, we talking. Then he said, "Cause y'all, you know, cause it's a business, you know, or whatnot." I said, "Well, I mean, I said I disagree with you on that. I mean, I agree, but I disagree to a certain extent. Yeah, it is definitely that." And then as I was about to continue on, why that motherfucker's my face is covered like it's like this. That's all you see. Cause my hood is just covered because it's just that cold outside. And when I said I disagree, I agree, but I disagree, and I was about to go da da da, and when I turned around, this motherfucker was gone. But I wasn't interested, whatever. But yeah, it was funny. But you know another thing that cracks me up about people is like how when you disagree with them, like I don't know, like it's just like nah, bitch, I ain't talking to you because you don't agree with what the fuck I said. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody's not gonna agree, and it's fine. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, that was the experience I had today. And also for my dudes, like so when you trying to holler at somebody, it's just as simple as this. Women like compliments, men like it's for my ladies, like I told the ladies to give a man a compliment when she meet him. But also we also know that all compliments does not mean that somebody's interested in getting to know you. It could just be just a flat out compliment. They may like your style, your fit, you know, your shoes, whatever the fuck. So for my guys, like women definitely love compliments. And who don't love? Not even women, men do too. You know what I'm saying? People love compliments. Tell them something nice, you know, and make them feel good, right? So it's best to like to give a woman a compliment, and if she, and then you know, ask her name and all that. You ain't gotta be like put it on all thick, like yo, hey, pretty lady, I like you, them cherry lips and them almond eyes. Like, don't be doing no shit like that. Don't do that. They be like, bitch, you don't get the fuck out of here with that 1970 motherfucking bullshit. Like, no. Like, you don't have to go that deep. You know what I'm saying? Into you examining her and coming up with a synopsis of this is why I think you fly. Like, no. But you know, give her a nice little compliment, ask her name, whatever, and you know, and ask to exchange numbers. Well, I don't know now, y'all motherfuckers. What's your everybody like? What's your social media? For me, see, it depends on like the age too. Like if you at a certain age, I think the younger people probably is on that. I say like from teenagers to probably like 30s, maybe. I guess I don't know if my 40s, 50s, and 60s is doing the D. I know I'm 55, so I definitely don't. If you talk about some social media, no, I'm not giving you my. So I mean, if you do now, you just gonna be a part of that. Like you know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna respond to you with that unless it's like some business shit. But besides that, like no. So, but you know, just know your demographic. You know what I'm saying? Like where they are, um, and what they doing. So, as far as like you know the communications. So you ask for that. If y'all younger, then of course you can do that. If that, because I know that that's more acceptable for my younger crowd. For the older crowd, you can ask for the number because we like to talk on the phone. And also, let me tell you something. I don't know. The people, I know this is a thing now, like with the text and shit. Don't fucking text me. I'm not texting no whole motherfucking conversation, bitch. I'm not doing that. I'm just not doing it. That shit is stupid and it is dumb. And for me, but then again, I'm 55, so I ain't got time for that bullshit. You want to talk to me, you want to get on the phone. I'm going to shut your shit down real fucking quick because I am not about to be going back and forth no long. And then, it can get misconstrued. Somebody can type faster than you and you still in your one thought. And then now you done hit that. Now you got to be like, oh shit, now I got to respond. Like, it can just get so misconstrued. Texting for me is best like, yo, where you at? You know what I'm saying? Da, da, da. Like, it's a two-way exchange. Like, you say this, they say that, then you say this, and then it's over. For me, I'm not that long, but everybody's different. Everybody's different. So, yeah, so people, shoot your shots out there. Don't be afraid and learn how to take rejection. If somebody don't like you, it is okay. I think I just talked about this not too long ago. It feels like I did. But it's okay. We have to learn how to to embrace rejection because it's gonna come at so many different angles in your life. And more that you put it in your mind, not say that, like don't go with a loser mindset. I'm not saying that. But just know that rejection is a part of life. Just know that. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna always win, no matter what. No, you're not gonna always win, no matter what. That's not always gonna happen. Things ain't gonna always happen. It's just not. Especially when you're trying to meet somebody else. And also, like, man, don't catch no attitude or no nothing. Let that shit go. It's 8 billion. How many people on this motherfucking planet? A whole lot. You know what I'm saying? A whole lot. So don't get so hung up on one person. Like to where, like, I mean, I guess like a man can get caught up in women's beauty because I've heard men say that they see some woman that was so attractive that they just didn't even know what the fuck to say. And I was just like, what the fuck you mean? Like, but yeah, men have said that. Like, they just really did not know what the fuck to say. Hi, how you doing, Miss Lady? You know what I'm saying? Put a smile on her face. The same thing with my ladies. Shoot your shot. But listen, let me tell you something. That this is what I think, but that's up to you, because all you daredevil motherfuckers, when you meet somebody and somebody tell you that they got somebody, I think that you should be like, back the fuck up, because you don't want those problems. What the fuck? What? Like, why? Like, why? If you meet somebody and they tell you that they got somebody and they still wanting to take your number, even if it's a fuck thing, like it can get out of control and out of hand. So just leave that shit alone. That would be my advice to y'all. Like, leave when you meet no, they say that, let it go. Because although, like, we are here and we are learning how to handle our emotions and shit, like being well mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and emotionally, a lot of people are not. They're not. And they take this, oh, that's my girl, that's my man shit real quick. Yo, I was just talking about the one that just happened with the girls. They both had the same baby daddy. They was sharing dick, I guess. I don't know if he's fucking both of them at the same, probably was. But they both had babies by him. And one of the girls came over to the girl. They linked up to fight. The other girl brought a knife. And now she's no longer here. And the other girl, her life, I know she's going to prison. If she don't, it will be shocking. Unless I don't know, a manslaughter charge or self-defense. I don't know. So, people, use your mind. Think wise. Because we ain't got time for the bullshit that be outside. No. Life is for you to progress and keep on moving, and you don't want to get yourself in unnecessary shit. But shoot your shot to somebody that you see outside, whatever. For my women and my men, my words of advice is to be like, if they have somebody, let that shit go. Just let her go. Let him go. You know what I'm saying? You can still just give him a compliment. You can still look at it like, damn, I bet you that did good. I bet you that. You know what I'm saying? Or the dude's like, I bet you that bitch can suck a mean ass dick. You know how, like, you can see somebody, like, and you look at them and be like, yo, I bet you this motherfucker. Yo, I done seen a couple of motherfuckers. I can also detect men who got like big dick because they got big dick energy, like for real, or a nice medium one. Because they tend to be more to me. Well, it's just something about them, like for real. I'm kind of always right. You know what I'm saying? Like for real, because you have to have confidence, like within yourself. But then I'm not trying to make no man feel bad about their penis. I should love what you got, because God gave it to you, and that's just it. You know what I'm saying? That's it, and deal with it, love it. It's you. That's just what it is. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so y'all know that's the tip for today. And y'all know my name is Will. I'm an intimacy coach with the service called Seductive ArT. And on February the 8th, I will be having my pre-Valentine's Day event, the Ultimate Ladies Nights Out. My Seductive ArT workshop, ladies, you do not want to miss it. It's the ultimate. It's a workshop like no other. It's interactive, meaning we're moving around. It's not just we sitting and chit chat. We're moving around. It's fun. We definitely gonna have fun. And it's informative. So there's visual stimulation. I teach you how to visually stimulate your partner in and out the bedroom. We're going to have real sex talk. There's a lot of topics on the table. Not a lot, maybe like 3 or 4. We probably won't be able to get through all of them. But, you know, because we have to have like a strong understanding about sex and our understanding, meaning your understanding of sex for you and your partner or whoever is coming into your life. So y'all can be compatible. And then, because I don't want anyone to think like me, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, because this road isn't a one-way road. Everybody have their own way of thinking. You understand what I'm saying? So, and I want to help y'all implement that in your life. And for the people that's coming into, or the people that's coming into your life intimately, that you want to build something with. Also, this is when it get interactive. We putting on our heels. We already have on heels when you come. That's great. And we're gonna dance the night away. We feel like dancing. Woo! And also teach you about like walking in heels and stuff like that. So in this community, I need, you know, for all those who my steppers who know how to step in those heels, that'll be great. Because you can while I'm helping this one who probably need a whole bunch of help, then y'all can go ahead over there and do that. You know what I'm saying? So wine will be served, giveaways throughout the night. And I'm thinking about the sex toy thing. I'm not sure about having that because whatever. And I'm still trying to find somebody, so I'll keep y'all abreast. So I hope y'all join me. Go to this link right here. You can purchase your tickets and learn more about it. As well as y'all know, I'm an author. The title of my book is called Quickie and 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read why you fuck while you read. And I am a designer. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Real. I'm trying to set up a TikTok shop, so hopefully when I get that complete, I just started today. They rejected me twice, so I don't know what the fuck that shit is all about. So hopefully this third time it won't and then go through because I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna sell it at. So yeah, so be looking out for that. And if I resonate with you, which I hope I do, please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be kind, be genuine, be loving, be on time, be focused, be opinionated, be boisterous, be loving, be fierce, be great at what you're great at, be a great listener, be a part of your community, be about your motherfucking money. Black people. I'm about to Dr. Umar y'all ass. Black people, be black and proud. Be focused, be ambitious, be stylish, be fly, be of good nature, be of positive vibes. Be all these wonderful things because all we are over here is talking about was connect us to the Most High. And in the midst of you doing all of that, don't you peep around the corner, don't you think twice. And that is, you always be you. Because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night. Peace.